Hello, in this session we are going to learn how to install intelligent application and how to enhance intelligent application. So to learn this, let's jump into the system. This is our BDC cockpit. Here to install intelligent application, you need to go into the intelligent applications and data packages. Here you will see two tabs, one is installed and another one is available. So from here you can search your required intelligent applications and so for as of now, if let's consider we want to install this SAP manufacturing data product. Open this intelligent application and just take a look at the documentation and details of the application. In details you can see what are data products are used for this application. As of now, I don't have a license version of the BDC. This one is a trial version. That's why install option here is not appearing. But when you are using license version of BDC, then here install app option will appear. You just need to click on install option and you can install the application. Once you click on install option, then system will automatically create a connection, also automatically create artifacts into datasphere. It will also going to create a story at SSE side. You don't need to do anything. Everything will going to be installed automatically. Now next step is how we can modify the intelligent application. So when you are subscribing for the trial version, by default it comes with the working capital insight application as a installed application, and this one is a SAP managed application, so you cannot make a changes in this application. Still you want to make some changes into the story or the backend artifacts, that is possible. And to do this we need to first make a copy of story as well as the backend artifacts, and we can make a changes. Let me show you how we can make a changes into the intelligent application or how we can enhance intelligent application. Okay, so go into the system landscape. From here you can log in into the SSE. Once you are into SSE, go to my files, go to intelligent application. Here you will find the default intelligent application which is installed. Okay, and if you want to make a changes in this story, this is not possible because this one is a SAP manage. Here you can see here open story in edit mode option is not appearing, so we cannot make changes into the story. Okay, let me first show you the story and what changes we are going to make in this story, that I will going to show you first. Okay, this is a default story of working capital. Here you can see 5 pages are created for this story. In this story, on a overview page we are going to replace net sales with the revenue. Okay, so let me show you how we can make a changes. Right now I told you we need to copy the story. Let me select the story and try to copy. This option is not appearing, so here it means we cannot copy the story directly. So to copy story, you need to copy the folder. Okay, so select folder. Here copy option will appear, copy. Already I have created my folder BDC course. Copy your folder into that local folder. story is being copied. It's taking little more time. Okay, so our story is copied. Go to my files. From my files, go to VDC folder, which I have created. Go to finance. Now select story, and here you will see magic. Open story in edit mode option is available. Okay, so story, we have opened the story. Now let's make a changes. In total net sale, instead of net sale, we want to show revenue. Okay, so let's click on net sales, and here builder panel is open. Here data builder numeric pointer chart they are using. Okay, so here we want to replace our total net sales with the revenue. Select, let me check for the measure. Okay, revenue, I'm selecting major as a revenue. Okay, and here I'm removing this variance. I don't need variance, I just want to show revenue here. That's set. And also we need to make a changes into the, instead of net sales, we can rename it to the revenue. We have done required changes. Save our story. Now this one is not a standard SAP story. Now it's a custom story because we have made changes into this story. Right now this is what I have shown on SAP side. If you want to make a changes onto DataSphere side, let me first show you. First we need to copy the source of the story. Go to system landscape, open DataSphere. And in DataSphere also you need to follow the same steps. You need to open respective model, copy that model, make a changes, and create a analytical model on the top of that view, and you can consume that model into the SCC. Go to repository explorer, search for this model. This is analytical model. Okay, so for this analytical model, this view is used. Open this view into the new window. Okay, so this is the fact view we are using for the analytical model. Copy the view name. Again, go to the repository explorer. You can search for this view and copy this view into your respective folder and make a changes into this view. And again you need to create a new analytical model, and in that model you have to consume newly created view. Once you have created this analytical model and created, then you can consume this analytical model into the your copied story. That's all for this session. In this session we have learned how to install intelligent applications and how we can make a changes into the intelligent application. Thank you.